Tebow definitely pulling away from Cavalieri now. Cavalieri almost 4 seconds back from Tebow. So about 4 seconds separating each of the top three. Fisher Pitts takes another drink. Looks like he flamed out. They're going to get him fired back up, so he takes another drink. That's a way to get her done. Mayfield coming out of the pit, getting caught up with Babcock. Gets her going. Adam Drake coming right in between them. Drake coming up on Ryan Mayfield. Adam Drake 20.9. Garrett Tebow 20.5. 22-1 from Cavalieri. Cavalieri in and out of the pitch. 7:15 left in this game. 7:15 left. Adam Drake, your leader, over the triple. Go outside on the table. It's clear, it's clear. Cavalieri over the rollers. Headed to the triple. Tebow must have been in and out of the pit.
Drake into the pit.
Not too far ahead of Cavalieri now. Now the tides have changed. Adam Drake, though, way out ahead. Straightaway. Go outside. Straightaway's clear. Adam Drake has a big lead over Jared Tebow. 6:30 left to go. 6 minutes and 30 seconds left. I'm told Tebow did not quite go out of pit lane. Kind of went over the pipe. I have my tech man down there in pit lane counting. I'll confirm with him after the race. So I'm hearing it's good. I'm hearing it's not. We'll see. I have a guy down the pit lane. He'll call it. I saw Tebow come in again, so maybe he just got that one for insurance. Adam Drake is your leader. He's going over the rollers, over the triple. He's got a huge lead now over Ryan Cavalieri, taking over second with a 21 flat. Jared Tebow 25-4. Mayfield catching up to Cavalieri and Tebow, trying to get her done with just over 5 minutes to go. Adam Drake is up by, let me tell you, when Cavalieri comes by this lap. Adam Drake up by a full 10 seconds on Ryan Cavalieri. Jerry Babcock about 3 laps down from Mayfield, another 2 laps between him and Fisher. So unless Babcock or Fisher have some issues, they should finish 5th and 6th. King 2 laps ahead of Atondo. Almost 2 laps ahead of Atondo. About a lap and 3/4. Adam Drake, 1-2 is your leader. Atondo doing some nice flips. Tebow all over, punches back door for second place. Gives him a little bit of a wheel. They're going to the double and drive race down the straightaway. Tebow moves by Mayfield. That's Jared Tebow's warning. Gave him a little bit of a wheel, didn't let him back by, so that's your own. Keep it clean from here on out and we'll be fine. Mayfield closing in on this battle. Atondo in between them. Mayfield doing a wheelie again. Straight away. Clear. Mayfield getting by Cavalieri on that big wheelie. Tebow, Mayfield, Cavalieri, a little bit spread out now. Drake has at least a half a lap lead. More than that, 20.9 with 3 minutes and 45 seconds left to go for Adam Drake.